I forgot to charge my camera, so hopefully it doesn't die within this video, but we'll see. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing, testing, trying out the brand new palette from Rare Beauty. That is right, you guys. I did get this palette in the mail from Sephora a couple days ago and I'm super excited because I want to play with it. I love Rare Beauty. It's like one of my favorite makeup brands at the moment. So I'm super excited. We're going to try this out today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out or give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. And also follow me on TikTok because TikTok is poppin'. And I do post daily over there as well. So yeah. Here is what the palette looks like, and here is the back, and then here is what it actually looks like inside. It is such a cute little palette. I love the glitter shade in the middle, and I'm obsessed with the fact that these shades are put in here like the sun, not the sun, the moon, like the moon cycles and stuff. I love that. I am such a moon child. I love the moon so much. As you can see right here, I have the moon and I have like stars. I love the moon, I love stars. I like the sun too, but for some reason I am just so drawn to the moon. I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes first today. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes first just because I want to have full focus on the palette, and plus again I forgot to charge my camera, so I'm not gonna have like full camera battery. But I hope everyone is having a wonderful day with whatever you're doing. What are you guys getting into? Let me know. I'm going back, today is Monday as I'm filming this. I'm going back tomorrow to get my hair redone. I just got my extensions put in like 2 weeks ago, but something happened. I don't know what happened, if there was like an issue with the tape or something, but they're not holding up very well. But I actually did get some brand new tape in from the place that I get my extensions from is called Glam Seamless, and they are fantastic. But I had to get some new tape because I had run out of my old tape. So maybe it was just the old tape that didn't do very good, but I did get some new tape in the mail. So I'm gonna get these redone because I've already paid for them. I'm just, my hairstylist is really sweet, and she said that she would redo them for me, no charge. So, and then it'll just give me even more time with them. So like, I'm very excited about it. I am gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here, this nice pretty brown shade. This one is called, it's either called Genuine or Positive. I can't tell because the names are on the back right here and it's hard for me to do that. So it's either called Genuine or Positive. I'm going into that. I have never tried Rare Beauty shadows before. I haven't used any of the other palettes that they've come out with. So this will be my first time trying one of these palettes. I'm super excited. It's very light pigmentation, it seems. It is blending really nicely. Like the blending is pretty easy. It's very buttery, it's very smooth. It's not super pigmented, but I know Rare Beauty is more kind of on the lines of natural. So it's not very pigmented. I don't think I was expecting it to be super duper pigmented, but it's definitely not. So that could be a problem. Like I'm having to like really dig into this palette to get any real pigment to show up. But at least it's blending really well. Okay, so I think that's what I'll do for this right now. Again, it's very sheer when it comes to the pigment. It's not very pigmented at all. I am gonna go into this shade next. I'm gonna do a little bit of a purple moment. It's like a little purple color, and I think this one is called Undeniable or Pure. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm actually gonna deepen up the outer corner with this purple shade. I haven't used a purple in quite some time, so we'll see how this works. What happened? It is literally dusting off. Like, literally, it is dusting off. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe I can try to like pat it? Well, that's not good. Oh no. It is so sheer. It is not staying. It goes there and it just fluffs away into the most dull, pigmentless color. My eye just looks gray now. Oh no, I was so excited. I look like I have a bruise. I don't like it at all. I feel really bad. I thought that I was gonna really like this. The packaging looks adorable. The first shade was fine. It was just really light. This purple shade is horrible. Like absolutely horrible. I'm so confused. Well, I feel like I just wanna try this middle shade here. Like maybe the middle shade will save it. I don't know, but it's very glittery. It looks pretty. Well, this glitter shade is great. Wow. Like that glitter shade is wonderful. Like I feel like that's probably one of the best glitter shades that I've ever used. I know that I literally just finished like absolutely shitting on this palette and I got glitter everywhere. That's why I wanted to do my eyes first, but that is probably one of the best glitter shades that I've used. It's not crumbly, it's not super flaky. There is a little bit of fallout, but it's not that bad. I don't like the mattes. The mattes I don't think are very good, but that glitter shade, man, that glitter shade is probably the only thing that has saved this palette because I do not need any kind of glitter glue. I don't need a sticky base. Wow, that glitter shade is beautiful. I think I'm gonna go in a little bit into this one right here, this dark brown. This one is either called Passionate or Loyal. I'm gonna go a little bit into this dark brown and see if I can like deepen this up a little or something. Because that purple shade was still a disaster. Maybe I can use this dark brown to kind of deepen it up a little bit. I don't know. Well, now it's kind of going everywhere because now it is set to my lids and now it's kind of just falling off. I don't know, you guys. Like, I think the glitter shade is really pretty, but these mattes are horrible. Like, look at that. Look how, like, patchy that is. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my makeup real quick, just my regular face makeup. For my primer, I am going to use my Glossier Futuredew today. I haven't used this in quite some time, I don't know why, but I really do like it. It's so dewy. I love it. So for my foundation today, I think I'm just going to use a little bit of my Nars Soft Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Santa Fe. Okay. And then I'm gonna do some concealer. Basically, I'm just gonna speed through this part because, I mean, it's just me doing my normal stuff. So, I just went ahead and did my bronzer really quick. For my bronzer, I used my Ilia bronzer. Because it's my favorite one. I actually just ordered another one because I can't believe I forgot to get a replacement of my bronzer from the Sephora haul thing, Sephora sale. But the sale's still going on, so I ordered another one. Anyways, we're gonna try this blush today from M Cosmetics. It is so pretty. Look at that pink. I love it. And these are the Heavenly Glow blushes. Yeah, Heaven's Glow blush in Venetian Rose. Look. They're just so lovely. How can you not love this beautiful color? Like, I just think the formula on these M Cosmetics blushes are just so beautiful. They're so top notch, you just can't beat them. I love it. I love it. It's great. Okay, I am quickly just gonna do my brows really quick off camera, and then I'll just do like some mascara and stuff like that, and then I'll come right back and we'll do lipstick. Alright, I'm back. So I did my eyebrows and then I went ahead and put some mascara on. I'm not going to put on lashes today just because I really wanted to film this video, but I'm going to take this off as soon as I'm done. Because I have a dentist appointment today at 3 and I don't really want to be wearing like glitter to my dentist. It doesn't actually matter, but I'm going to take it off. I can't decide if I like bottom mascara or not. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I just think it looks real weird. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Of course, for my mascara, I used the Marc Jacobs Lash'd mascara, and then I used my Tarte Double Take liner, and now we can go. Ah, man, I should have done my lower lash line before my bottom mascara. I didn't think about it. Let me see if I can still do a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of this brown right here, this darker brown, and I'm gonna go on the lower lash line if I can. That'll work, just a little bit. Okay, perfect. That worked out fine. Okay, great. So then for inner corner highlight, I think I'll just go into this pretty shade right here. The second to last, it's either called Genuine or Positive, because the first shade that we did, this one, it was either called Genuine or Positive. I wasn't sure. So, and then this is the other one. So it's either called Genuine or Positive. I'm not entirely sure. You know, okay, it's a pretty shade. I don't know, you guys. I really don't like this palette, and I feel really bad to say that. I mean, I don't like it. As for lips, you know what? I was gonna do the Divine Rose shade again, but I think I'm gonna do red. You know what? This is a very glam look, so it is like, you know, glittery and stuff. So I'm gonna try this red shade. This is from Pat McGrath, and it's a liquid lipstick. Wow.
So Hollywood, so glamorous. So classic.
I love this color so much. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. It's like, it's the most bluest red that I've seen in quite some time, and I'm obsessed. Anyways, then you guys, this is the completed look that we did create today using the brand new Rare Beauty True to Myself palette, and I love this look. However, I don't like this palette. I think the palette is not that great. Sadly enough, I love Rare Beauty. This is, I think, the very first thing that they've come out with that I just didn't like. I love the foundation. I like the concealer. I love these so much. And there's just so many other things that I like from this brand. I like the primer, even that I tried the other day in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, I have a link right up here where I tried like a full face of new Sephora makeup, and the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist pore filling primer was in that, along with other things. But this is probably the first thing that I've ever tried from them that I just don't like. The mattes, I think, are not very pigmented. I don't like them. I like them the least. This glitter shade, however, is probably the best shade in the entire palette. I think the glitter shade is wonderful. It's fantastic. Like, look at that sparkle. I love the glitter shade. So if you were to get this palette, just because something doesn't work for me does not mean it won't work for you. So if you still want to try this palette, then I think by all means you should. It may be perfect for you. It may be amazing, and you may think it's phenomenal, and you may think, what the heck am I talking about? It's great. So that's fine. But I do think that this glitter shade though is poppin'. I love this glitter shade, and I'm even considering keeping this palette solely for the glitter shade. Hello? It's beautiful. But the palette itself, I think as a whole, is not my favorite thing. But I love Rare Beauty, and I think that there are so many other things that Rare Beauty has that are far superior that I use on a daily basis, including like the lip glosses and stuff. These are my favorite. So there are many things that I love from this brand. This is just not one of them. But that's okay, because it happens. Anyways, you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!